Welcome back to Owl Software. This is Tom Worcester. He is the Product Development Specialist at Blandings Specialty Foods. Today he is evaluating a new barbecue sauce recipe using TechWizard. He would like to do the following. Determine raw ingredient and formula costs. Determine how spicy and how sweet the sauce is. Determine if the sauce contains any allergens. Create a test kitchen batch sheet. Create a nutrition facts panel and ingredient list. And transfer pertinent information to his company's standard report. Tom starts by entering information for his barbecue sauce recipe in the formula development section of TechWizard. After he does so, he can see all of his ingredients listed. How much this particular recipe makes, this one is 2 cups. The amount of ingredients corresponding with this recipe. The price of 2 cups of barbecue sauce using this recipe is instantly calculated, as well as the weight percentage of each ingredient, all at the same time. Tom then views the TechWizard report showing the allergen content, Scoville value, or spiciness, and sweetness, and the cost reported as both price per pound and price per kilogram. All of this with a click of a button. Tom wants to prepare a 500-gram sample of the barbecue sauce recipe in the test kitchen. He creates the batch sheet using TechWizard. It is one of several batch sheet report templates that are available. He has opted to report each ingredient amount in grams and in milliliters. He could have selected any unit of measure he wished. Tom uses this recipe to create a nutrition facts and an ingredient list for the barbecue sauce using the TechWizard labeling feature. He saves this version of his formula to a TechWizard formula file. He can retrieve it later and make further improvements as needed. Finally, Tom transfers his recipe information from TechWizard to his company's standard product report document. It is easy to send information from TechWizard to a variety of other applications. Tom realizes TechWizard is a very versatile tool. If he thinks the formula is way too spicy or wants a sweeter taste with a slight kick, he will simply tell the TechWizard AI what he wants. Tom may need to reduce the cost of the recipe. Tom can choose from a selection of candidate ingredients and use TechWizard's AI to develop a less expensive recipe that still meet all his requirements. Tom, you have a little something, never mind. Contact us today to find out what TechWizard can do for you.